How to delete your Amazon Pay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can delete your Amazon Pay account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to close your Amazon Pay account, it's a little bit different process than you would do for other apps and services. For that, you have to launch your browser first. Once you launch your browser, you have to go to this URL, of which I'll leave the link in the description box. That is pay.amazon.com/help and some of the other URL sections. So just go to pay.amazon.com. Now this is the official article by Amazon Pay themselves. They tell us how we can close our account. So you can see the option that is closing your account. So it says that we are sorry to hear that you want to close your Amazon Pay account. This is a pay-per-use service that charges no monthly or annual fees. You can keep your account open and use it when you need it. If you still want to cancel the service, please follow the instructions below. So it is closing your account. Sign into your account on Seller Central and then navigate to the Contact Seller Support page. Follow instructions on the page and to contact Seller Support, and they will close the account for you. So what you have to do is, you can see this button that says Contact Seller Support. All you have to do is to simply tap on this blue button. Once you do and tap on Contact Seller Support, it will ask you to first log into your Amazon Pay account. So just go ahead and then log into your Amazon Pay account. Once you go ahead and sign in with the Amazon Pay account, you can successfully contact the support page in order to go ahead and simply try to delete your account. Then they will simply close the account for you. And once you've deleted your account, you can understand that you will no longer be able to actually reactivate your Amazon Pay account. But hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.